Good morning, Nabil.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm great by the Almighty Allah. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing great. You have to speak a little bit louder so that
Okay, sir.
microphone can catch your voice.
Okay.
And then another reason is you're wearing mask,
No,
and that's why. Okay. So, how are you today?
I think today is very nice for me because the weather is very beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay. Is it cloudy or sunny?
So it is sunny.
Sunny. So it's not freaking cold.
No, sir.
It's changing.
No.
Okay. So, Nabil, can I have some personal question?
Okay, sir.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
You're 16 years old.
Yes, sir.
So you are a student of class
8.
8. Okay. So there is a gap of your education. What's the reason?
Sir, my parents took me to school late. So there is a gap.
Okay. Anyways, so what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And why do you like this subject?
Because it is an international language and uh, a foreigner speaks English.
If you want to make communications, if you want to communicate to the worldwide,
Yeah, sir.
then you need to
English.
learn English. Okay, it's vital, very important for the people. If you wanted to get a scholarship,
Yes.
if you wanted to get a scholarship in the foreign university,
Yes, sir.
then you do need to learn
English.
English. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyways, so tell me, what is your hobby?
My hobby is reading storybooks.
Reading storybook.
Yes, sir.
What types of storybook you would like to read?
So comics and science fiction.
Science fictions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me some writers' names and books name?
No, sir. I forgot.
Okay, it's all right. Do you help your parents in your
Yes,
free
sir.
time?
I help my parents in my free time.
Like what types of activities you perform at your home?
I like my mother to cook something and my parents to clean the house, uh, etc. sir.
That means you can cook.
Yeah, sir.
Oh wow, that's fantastic. Okay, now tell me, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black.
Yeah, sir.
Why do you like black?
Because when I see the color, I think very powerful and energetic.
But I know, so far as I know, that black is the absent of all color.
Yeah.
There is no color. Okay, and you feel energetic.
Yeah.
But it's the color of sadness.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. All right. It's your personal things. I think it's no matter. So, do you live in a house or apartment?
Sir, I live in a house.
Tell me in brief about your house.
In my house, there are 3 rooms. Two is bedroom. One is my father's teaching room, and there is a kitchen and 2 bathrooms, and my veranda where I keep some pet birds.
Okay, all right. So, Nabil, recently we are using some applications for our educations
Yes, sir.
in COVID situations.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you tell me some applications name that are most useful or important for student educations?
So I think some important apps application, dictionary,
Dictionary,
YouTube, Google Meet, etc.
Google Meet.
Yeah.
I appreciate this. Okay. Can you tell me, do you ever use Google Meet?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, you conducted class
Yeah.
or joint class.
So join class.
Join class with your teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you feel using Google Meet?
I feel really
Very
very nice by using Google Meet, which helps us to keep connected with our teachers.
yes, obviously. You can also get meeting with your friend circle, okay, family members through this application. It's very nice. Okay, now tell me, How is the transportation facilities of your hometown?
In my hometown, there is many kinds of transportation system, but the main transport system is railway and bus. In my hometown, there is a railway station and one bus station, and there is some small transport system like auto, van, rickshaw, etc.
Is there any public park or public garden in your hometown?
In my hometown, there is a public park named Pasdevi Puro Park.
How is the natural scenery? How is the nature of your hometown? Can you tell me?
My hometown looks very beautiful because it has some natural beauty. In
You know, there is a rivers that flows
Yes, sir.
beside your hometown.
beside
Do you know
our
the
hometown.
name?
Has sir.
Yes, sir.
Small Jamuna.
Small Jamuna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the most attractive place of Panchbibi. Have you ever gone to this riverside, riverbank,
Yes, sir. Last Friday, I went there.
last Friday with your friends or family?
Some friends.
The friend. Okay. So Nabil, now you can tell me, do you have any skill?
Yeah,
Okay. What's that?
I can swimming. Or I can. So
Like what can be?
I can bike riding, cycle riding.
Bike ride. You can
Yes,
ride bike. You
Yeah.
can ride cycle.
Yes, sir.
You can swim. Wow, you have many skill. Okay, so learning English is another skill that's going to add with your qualification.
Yes, sir.
So how do you feel?
I feel very sir, nervous.
You feel very nervous right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you tell me why English? How we could improve our English? Two ways. Just you have to mention.
Okay. By watching English news and reading English newspaper.
By reading English newspaper, one, and another is
Watching English news.
watching English news, movies, okay. So I think the most important and the prime factor is speaking.
Yeah.
This is the major. Okay. So I think you need to more practice and nice presentations. You have to because you need to be more fluent.
Okay,
I
sir.
want a good result from all of you guys. Okay. So that's why you need to more practice to be more fluent.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and it was our first recording, first
Yes.
session. So I think there will be hesitations among our student and me. So I think it will be correct soon.
Okay, sir.
So no more today. Have a good day and good practice.
Okay.